What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to delete a photo album inside of the Photos app on iPhone. Now this is a little confusing on how to do, and it would actually confuse me at first, but luckily I was able to figure out to show you guys if you're having any trouble deleting an album from your iPhone. So obviously you're just going to open up your Photos apps, and then if you hit albums on the bottom there, it is going to be the third option to the right. You're going to see a button at the top right corner saying see all, and if it's highlighted in blue text, you're going to click on that. It's parallel with the albums. You should be able to find it here, and you can see all of your albums on this screen here. And then in the same spot again, the highlighted blue text, you're going to click edit, and then you will see that there's going to be little red circles with lines through them in the top left corner of every single album. If you click on that, it's going to bring up another function where you could delete the album, and then you just confirm you want to delete it, and then all the photos on that album will be deleted as well as the album itself, and it will be fully deleted off your phone. So be sure that if you're going to delete them, there's nothing saved on there that you want to keep, because it is going to be gone forever. That's pretty much all there is to it, though, as far as deleting albums on iPhone goes. If you did have any questions or were confused at all on how to do it, comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.